My name is Aina Khan, one of the student at FLC. I recently passed my OET exam in my first attempt. I would like to thank my teacher, especially Sir Charlie, who always there to motivate me and assure me that I can pass OET exam. As I previously heard, no one can pass the OET exam in their first attempt. But by the grace of God, I passed my OET exam in my first attempt with the efforts of the Sir Charlie and Miss Aruj, who was always there to help me and to guide me while preparing the OET exam. I'm here to discuss my experience at FLC while studying here. I found FLC was very helpful to me and all the student who wishes to pass the OET exam, as their schedules are very flexible and one can easily manage with their duties. And secondly, the environment was very cooperative and friendly. They work like a professionals. I strongly recommend you who want to pass the OET exam will visit this campus. And at the last but not the least, I would like to thank my parents, my friends, my colleague, and my overseas friend who practiced with me while preparing this exam. I wish good luck for those who want to give exam in the future. Thank you.